Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets. Now we only going to be using one account. Now most people that know about my lead gen secrets and use it usually have multiple accounts, but we using one account. And the reason by that, because most people that start only use one account. And so I'm trying to show something like a starter's results, so to speak, if you just start it and give it a shot. That's what I'm trying to show. So you might have results better than this, you might have results worse than this, but it should be along these lines somewhat, you know what I mean? So anyway, if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell. Now let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to talk about the reasons why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. And it's because essentially, first off, it's a funnel builder that is lucrative, easy to use, and all sorts of things. Has no real limitations towards it once at all. It's easy to connect domains. It's easy to create subdomains. Um, it's easy to do a ton of things that can be quite annoying to figure out in other funnel builders, and they have no limitations, so on and so forth, right? And to compare, right, it's only $25 per month. To compare, the most popular funnel builder is ClickFunnels, and it's $97 per month. And it has a ton of limitations, including something like only a certain amount of people can see your page, which I think is ridiculous. And yeah, it's $97 per month. And if you want to get rid of those type of limitations, you have to pay $300 per month, which is crazy. The only reason I think people still use ClickFunnels is because it was pretty much the pioneer of funnel builders, I guess you could say. So everybody kind of stuck using them to kind of know it, so they want to just stick with it. But guys, you know, funnel builders are essential, you know, when it comes to online businesses. So getting a solid one, if you're just starting, this is just the one to go for, or switch over to, whichever it may be. All right, guys, save you a ton of money. Okay, so second off, and I think the most logical reason that people are interested in promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business, including myself, and the reason why I started looking into promoting the $25 all-in-one business, is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions, which is absolutely bonkers. That is so good. That's insanity. To compare, if I were, before seeing this product, if I were to see a product that had an affiliate system that gave 40% recurring commissions, I would think, hey, that's really good. That's what I would think before this product. Now I think it's sad because this is twice as bad, twice as good. All right, guys. So anyway, guys, those are the reasons there. And so let's get to looking at my results here. Looks like I did get a sale, but we're gonna refresh it here. Okay, it turns out I did get a sale. Okay, so I did get a sale, guys.
Nice.
All right, so yeah, that's great, man. I feel great about that. Also, make sure people refresh their page when they show you their real results. They show you their real results, and it's very easy to change all these numbers around to whatever I want them to be or what they want it to be. I see this a lot on YouTube, ClickFunnels, whatever it may be. Very, not ClickFunnels, but ClickBank, which is another affiliate system, showing crazy numbers they making every day on YouTube, and it's easy to change these numbers. So that's why make sure they refresh the page like I just did to show you real results. Very easy to change it. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get over here to my lead gen secrets here. We're gonna click on mailing list. We're gonna go select all here. We're gonna find us the next email on our list here. Oops, don't mind that. Okay, we're gonna go with this one here, guys. We're gonna pick this one. Get up to 120 customers per month. Very solid. And you could just easily copy and paste. Well, you can copy these when I'm paused, so you can see the whole email. Boom, boom. That's the whole email there, guys. That's it. Just pause it where you need it to be at. You know, guys, if you're interested in following along. And gonna make a preview here. You can check your preview here. Oh, before we get to the next part here, before I forget, you want to put your link right here, and you want to use this link here because it promotes. I personally like this link. It promotes 2 recurring income products: a $20 one, that's the 25 business, and a $100 one. Alright, guys. So, and that's HBA premium. So yeah, I promote this one, but you could try other ones to see how it works for you guys. No problem with doing that. So anyway, guys, we're gonna get here. You just pick the link right here. Very easy, very simple thing to do. Make sure you hit perfect timing. Perfect timing does send the email around time. People check the emails, and we just send it just like that. We're done, guys. That's all it takes. Very easy, very quick, very simple. And you just do this every single day, you'll be fine. You could even copy my YouTube videos and do that as well, because I did get a sale. I remember getting a sale from YouTube as well. So just to amplify it, it's very easy to make these videos. You know, it only take me a minute, and very easy to edit. And once you learn how to do it, it's very easy. So guys, make sure to follow along. You know, like I stated before, the links are in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.